Nice.
Enhances big line.
Yeah, I'm glad we rode that earlier today.
Oh, yeah, that line's getting better.
I was just pointing at people. Yeah, it'd be cool if it was like running while we're going by. Especially like by that little death hill.
Yeah.
The ejector hill.
Ejector death.
Did you guys ride it today?
Yes.
You've done it?
Yeah.
We've done it twice, and I did it 3 times last year.
Nice.
I still have a ton of tickets, so I'm going to try and get as many laps on it as I can, but the line is...
Yeah. Sea Dragon hasn't opened all day. I doubt it is.
I'm more sad about the Nebulous.
I
I've never
know.
experienced one.
That was a fun ride. When the day it opened, I was actually the first public rider in line. That was pretty cool. Yeah, I mean like that. You know, the preview and employees got to ride, but
Are you doing media day for Sky Striker at all?
I don't know when it is, and I don't get invites.
May 23rd is the date I heard.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the park never invites me to that stuff.
That's okay.
Yeah.
I think you have to apply. Because I've been told by some people that there's an application. Is that true?
Yeah, they're building an all-inclusive playground. Yeah, so anybody with, you know, accessibility issues can get on and have fun.
That's cool.
Yeah, that is cool. So do you have a channel too on YouTube or no?
Not
Not that stuff.
I have
Okay.
music stuff.
Okay.
I have an Instagram that I run, but I don't post all that often.
Nice. Yeah, I have Instagram, but I just don't do much on there.
Probably follow you.
That's cool.
If I do, I'll tag you.
Yeah, do that. That would be awesome.
I was hoping they were going to send it so we can get some videos.
I know, right? Yeah, this,
Especially gravity did a good job on this.
yeah, this is
Smooth, it's intense.
very fun ride. I used to say it's well worth the $1, but now it's well worth $1.50.
Yeah, that sucks.
I know, right? Support
But
local.
still, yeah, support local.
Right. They're good forever. No. That's slow motion. Yeah, we're not riding that again. This will probably be our last ride.